Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul.
Fine down with the Merlot. You know I'm on the line with the sun low. You already know the vibes when I pull up on you. Been looking at the sign like a horoscope. You say you wanna leave, but I know you don't. Talking about you wanna freeze, what we got going on. But I'm seeing through the screen what's really going on. I know how you feel, I just need you to wait on me. I wanna do less of this latency. I wanna do less of that wait and see. When I get back to the city, I hate to leave. I know it's tough being away from me. Till I put it down, feel like synergy. Swear that your body the remedy. And you won't find nobody that's not me as real as me. It's to infinity. You won't find nobody better. It's to infinity. You won't find nobody better. Wait, it's to infinity.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city I met all my best friends. And I wanna thank every break, I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all of the stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, the beep beep beepity beep is still beep beep beeping, y'all, okay? Just mind y'all, I don't really be here a lot, so I'm gonna get it fixed, okay? Just bear with me. Just bear with me. All right, so the unit that I'm rocking was sent to me by Hurela Hair Shop. You Hurela for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So I don't have a whole lot of details about this unit. They sent me pictures and asked would I like to try it. It's a new wig for them. And I was like, yeah. I'm down to try some new hair and it's kinky. Okay, honey. Send it this way. So I don't have a lot of details. I have the length and the fact that they have those special baby hairs, and I kind of just want to insert a picture or a video or somewhere so you guys can see those baby hairs prior to me bleaching the wig, because after I bleached it, it didn't have the same curl that it had unit. But I am on this knot bleaching kick. Okay, so I did bleach the knots, but it comes curled a certain way, and even after you bleach them, the baby hair still just kind of swoop to swoop. Like, y'all, this baby hair is baby hairing, okay? This baby hair is baby hairing. But they do have those special baby hairs. They did send me this unit in 24 inches, and that is basically all the details that I have, other than the fact that it is a kinky unit. And I would say it's a 13 by 4. So I don't have any other details, but definitely check down below in the description box because I'm pretty sure they sent them. Now I want to get back into the baby hairs and the fact that this unit it came pre-tweezed. Like, the way they had those baby hairs done, like even after washing, it was just still really easy to style. Now if you do get the unit and you don't want to wash it straight, like when you get it, I'm pretty sure it's even easier to baby hair it. But I did, so I did sort of use my little flat irons and go back and curl them a little more, but it was really, really easy. And I love how easy it was to just basically style this wig because of that. Because it was already pre-tweezed. Like, this unit, girl, oh girl, she woke up like this, okay? It wasn't a whole lot that I had to do, and I love that for me because you know your girl is lazy, okay? And I was gonna do some curls, but I feel like I've been doing all of my kinky straight units curly, so I wanted to flat iron this one and do a straight look for you guys, because is it not giving blowout, girl? Okay, if you guys knew my grandma, this is my grandma hair, okay? Like, everybody would always compliment my grandmother on her hair, and she has like super thick, long hair like this when she ain't chopping in it. She done just chopped it again. But that's what this unit is giving me, and I love that for me. I love a good kinky straight unit. So as far as shedding and tangling, it's a kinky straight wig. Like, I did not receive any of the things straight out of the packaging. That's not to say old girl won't do any of the things at some point. Just to straight out of the packaging, she's doing none of the things. And it did come with that elastic band, so I think you can wear this unit glueless. You guys know I struggle with that because of these yells, honey. Do you see these ears? Okay, we call them Curtis ears in my family. I have very large ears, so I always struggle. So I just use spray. I didn't use glue. I just use spray to adhere the unit. But I do feel like the unit is big head friendly. But if you have a smaller head, I do feel like adjusting that elastic band, you can make it work. So I only got the head that's on my shoulders, and I'm an average cap size. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that, okay? But in my opinion, I think you can make this unit work across the board. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. So my cons with this wig is gonna be the fact that it's a 13 by 4. You guys know that is my go-to con. And with this wig, child, is that, I don't know. But with this wig, if you go back a certain amount, you're definitely gonna see web. So that is always a con for me with 13 by 4 wigs. So I want to throw that out there. Okay, do with that what you want to do with it, but that is my con. My #1 pro with this wig is the baby hairs. I haven't been really wearing baby hairs because it's just a lot of work, and a lot of units, you know, these days don't necessarily require them. I still love baby hairs, Jenny. I still love baby hairs, but if a unit doesn't require it, then I don't go through that process. So I love that this unit came where the baby hairs was already baby hairing. I also love the texture and the density of this wig because, honey, oh girl, it's thicker than my baby cousin, Ashley, honey. She's thick, girl. Okay, so that is also a pro as well. And yeah, those are my pros with this wig. I would definitely recommend this unit. I think everybody needs at least, well, every black woman, every African American woman needs at least, or every black woman needs at least one kinky straight wig in their closet, honey. You can't go wrong with a good kinky straight wig, girl. I love them. Like, I would take a kinky straight wig over a silky straight wig any day. I know some people don't like straight hair in general, but I love a good kinky wig, kinky straight wig, because it just looks so natural. And the fact that, you know, it basically came done for me is definitely an added bonus. So yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. Alright, y'all, y'all. So let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below in the comments. And once again, shout out to you, Hurela, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HusbandC on Snapchat. And I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love complete.